How to log into your account on Remitly. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can log in to your account on Remitly. It is very simple. The first step is to install the application. If you do not have the application installed, that is if you are using a mobile phone. But if you prefer the website like me here, just come over to your web browser. Depending on the kind of web browser you're using, it could be Google Chrome, it could be Safari, whatever. Once you're on your um web browser, in the search box, just type out www.remitly.com, enter it in, and then wait for the page to load. So once the page has loaded, if you have an account already and you've saved your password as well as your for your username to your Google Chrome or to your web browser, you'll be brought directly to your own page, just like mine did here. But if not, you'll be taken to the login page. Okay, so on this page, by the top part of the screen, top right side of the screen, you'll see two options, namely join now or sign up. All right, just go ahead, select it, and then click on login instead. Okay, since you have an account already, enter in all of your details and then click on sign in, and then just like that, you'll be brought to this home page where you are now ready to send money securely through Remitly. So this is how you can log in to your account on Remitly. Thanks for watching and have a good day.